A very good morning, children. Today we are going to do the third and the last part of chapter 10, our neighboring countries. We have already done 5 countries and today we will do Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is also known as Democratic Socialist Republic of Sri Lanka. It is located in South Asia in the Indian Ocean. It is an island off the southeast coast of India and it is separated from India by the Pak Strait. Its area is 65,610 square kilometers. The population of Sri Lanka as recorded in 2018 is 20,977,649. So this is a small country again. Here you can see the capital of Sri Lanka is Colombo, which is also called Sri Jayawardhane Pura Kotte. The flag, as you can see, is dark yellow background and there are 2 parts. One is brown rectangular part which has a golden lion holding a sword, and in each corner in the 4 corners you can see a gold bow leaf. So the background is golden. There are 2 more figures. One is rectangular which has a lion in between, and the other one has 2 vertical stripes of dark green and red or orange it looks like. The official language as well as national languages Sinhala and Tamil and English is also spoken in Sri Lanka. This is the political map of Sri Lanka, and as you can see it is surrounded by Indian Ocean on all sides. Top corner towards the east you can see the Pak Strait also there. This strait means a narrow passage of water which connects 2 large water bodies. So it is connecting the Bay of Bengal and the Indian Ocean here. You can see other important things shown there: the province boundaries, the national capital, the province capital, major cities and other cities all are marked in the map. Majority of the people living in Sri Lanka are Buddhists, that is around 69%, followed by Tamils 7%, Christians 6%, Muslims 8%. Principal rivers flowing through Sri Lanka are Mahaveli Ganga and Kelani Ganga. The highest mountain is Pridurutala Gala, which is 2,527 meters high. Sri Lanka is traditionally related to the story of Ramayana. It was the kingdom of Ravana, the demon king. He was killed by Lord Rama in the story of Ramayana. Many Hindu and Buddhist temples are located in Sri Lanka, and Sri Lanka is a very beautiful country, very green, and a small country totally surrounded by Indian Ocean. So with this we come to the end of all the 6 countries. We have covered all the 6 immediate neighbors that India has. So you have to learn all the facts well, and no need to learn the figures, but important facts you should learn. Let us recall the lesson once, a very quick recall. Which 6 countries did we learn about? We learnt about Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Bangladesh and Sri Lanka. Pakistan and Bangladesh were earlier parts of India. Pakistan was carved out of India in 1947 and it was divided into 2 parts. One was Eastern Pakistan, which later became a separate country, a free country in 1971. Bangladesh was earlier called East Pakistan and it was a part of Pakistan and it became an independent country in 1971. So these are some facts you will have to remember. And now we move to the exercises. The first one, think and answer. Tick the correct answer. Which of the following countries does not share land boundary with India? It is Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka does not share common land boundary. It is an island and it is separated by a narrow very narrow passageway of water. Which is the official language of Pakistan? Correct answer is Urdu. Which of the following countries were earlier a part of India? Pakistan, Bangladesh, both of these. The correct answer is both of these, as both Pakistan and Bangladesh, they were part of India. The Mount Everest is located in which of the following countries? And the correct answer is C, Nepal. In which of the following countries the majority of people follow Buddhism? The correct answer will be Sri Lanka and Myanmar, both. So you will have to choose C, both of these. Match the following: Pakistan, Islamabad, Bangladesh, Dhaka, Myanmar, Naypyidaw, Sri Lanka, Colombo, Bhutan, Thimphu. So these are the capitals, and only one country is left, that is Nepal, whose capital is Kathmandu. Number C, fill in the blanks. The Ganges and Brahmaputra rivers flow through Bangladesh. Muslims account for 97% of population of Pakistan. Kathmandu is the capital of Nepal. Hindus constitute the majority of population in Nepal, and Bangladesh became an independent nation in 1971. Write T for true and F for the false statements. So like we have been doing, we will not write T and F, we will write T for true or correct statements and F for the false or incorrect statements. Number 1, the Mount Everest, highest mountain, is located in Nepal. Now this is true. Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world and the height is 8,848 meters. This is located in Nepal. Pakistan was carved out of India in 1957. This is false. And what is wrong here? 47 is the correct. 1947 is the correct answer. So we will underline 1957 and correct it also, so that you know why it is false. The official and national language of Sri Lanka is Sinhala. That is true. Sri Lanka and India are separated by Pak Strait. That is again true. Majority of population in Bangladesh is Hindu. That is false. This statement is incorrect because majority of the people living in Bangladesh are Muslims. So write there false, and we will also underline Hindu and correct it, make it Muslims. So with this we come to the end of chapter 10. So there is nothing much to learn in this chapter, nothing much to understand. In fact, most of the things are facts which you will have to remember. So we will be discussing this lesson when we have our online classes. Read the lesson well and be prepared. We will be doing chapter 11, that is Climate of India, which is again a very interesting chapter and a very easy one too, in the next video tutorial. So till we meet again, all of you take good care of yourself and keep safe.